Imagine creating stunning artwork, breathtaking landscapes, or even your dream character, all with just a few clicks. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. Welcome to the exciting world of AI image generation, where your imagination and the ability to describe it is the only limit. Today, we're diving into the incredible realm of AI image generation. If you've never ventured into this world and you're curious about what AI can do, then this video is for you. Today, I'll explore four fantastic AI generation tools: MidJourney, Dall-E, Adobe Firefly, and DreamStudio. Stick around to the end because I'll reveal some amazing tips and tricks that will help you get started right away. First up, let's talk about MidJourney. MidJourney was actually my first adventure into the AI image generation world. It's a powerful paid AI image generation service known for its high quality outputs and detailed images. With MidJourney, you can create almost anything you can imagine, from intricate fantasy scenes to realistic portraits. The interface is pretty user friendly, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. However, signing up for MidJourney is a bit of a quest in and of itself. You have to go through their Discord server, but trust me, it's worth it. They're working on a public facing website, but at the time of this recording, it's only available to alpha testers, but it is coming. Initially, they offered 25 free image generations to test the service, but they've since discontinued that. MidJourney can be found through their Discord server. When you first log on, the Getting Started will give you everything you need to know to get started. And right here is where you can get the link to get your membership. But this is a great introduction on how to go to a prompt and just type in your prompts. There's some great explanations here on how-tos, and this is the website link. But you can come over to one of these and look to see what other people are doing. Here's where you can see their prompt and what they did. One of the more interesting channels on the Discord server is their daily theme, and you can see it rolling through right now. Every day they post a new theme, and this daily theme now is strange fruit. And a lot of the users will come in here and start weird prompts, and you can see what they say, and it's interesting to watch this. To get started, you just type in /imagine, hit enter, and then let's type in our prompt. A family of unicorns in a magical forest with a flowing river. We'll keep it simple. So now it always presents four images, and you can click on this to make it a little bit larger. And you can see there's slightly different styles for each one, but dang, these are really good. Each of these down here represent the number to the different images. So like this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. The U represents upscaling and the V represents variations. So if you see one of these that you really like and you want to upscale it, you would click the U button for that particular picture. If you wanted to see maybe this one, but a little bit variant, not quite right, you want to see some extra ideas, but generally this style, you might choose the variation for number 3. So let's go ahead and do that. It'll bring up a prompt so that you can add something different if you want. So let's say at sunset. Now it'll give you 4 new images, incorporating the change that you added. So now you can see they're all roughly at sunset. Wow, that one's really pretty. Oh, look at the little baby ones here. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go with number 4. We're going to upscale number 4. Once you upscale one picture, you have a lot more creative freedom with things that you can do with it. Zoom it in, zoom it out, custom zoom, lots of things that I won't get into now, but you can really see the quality of the pictures that you can get. Next, let's move on to Dall-E, which is accessible with a Chat GPT subscription. This is a really nice benefit of the Chat GPT subscription plan. Dall-E is brought to you by OpenAI, the same minds behind ChatGPT. And this tool is incredibly versatile, allowing you to generate images based on text prompts and even from conversations you're currently having with ChatGPT. What's fascinating about Dall-E is its ability to understand and creatively interpret complex descriptions, such as everything you've been talking about within a single conversation with it. It'll produce images that can be both surreal and realistic. Dall-E's integration with ChatGPT means you can have a seamless experience switching between generating text and images. And this makes it an excellent choice for those who are already using AI for other creative or productivity tasks. Plus, it's more accessible price-wise compared to some of the other premium tools since it's already built into your ChatGPT subscription. Let's try our same prompt on ChatGPT. Wow, that's very magical indeed, very Lisa Frank. Let's tell it to change the style a little bit. Ah, that's a little bit better. Now, it didn't take us very long to get this image, and I really like it. Next up, let's talk about Adobe Firefly. This tool is part of Adobe's suite and offers 25 free generations, making it a fantastic starting point for beginners. Adobe's Firefly leverages Adobe's extensive experience in creating software, providing users with a robust and intuitive platform for generating AI images. What sets Adobe Firefly apart is its integration with the other Adobe products like Photoshop and Illustrator. This allows for a seamless workflow, especially if you're already familiar with Adobe's ecosystem. Plus, with 25 free generations, you can experiment and explore without any initial investment. In order to use Firefly, you just need to sign up with an account. Once you're in, just look for the text to image icon right here. Now you're ready to put in your prompt. Let's use our old one we've been using with the others. A family of unicorns in a magical forest with a flowing river. You can see Firefly went straight to realistic looking, and I didn't know unicorns could come in different colors. That's very interesting. There's a lot of different settings over here that you can play with, such as the aspect ratio, the content type of photo or art. Let's click art. And you'll notice it puts it down here at the bottom. Let's try this again. Now we have some fantasy looking art. If you hover over each picture, you'll see you have the option to edit it with lots of options here. You can download it. You can rate it. That helps the AI know if they're on the right track with these generations. You can report it if something is very, very wrong with it. This button will let you make a link to it so that you can share it. And you can also click the star to favorite it to your library. Finally, let's explore DreamStudio. DreamStudio is powered by Stability AI's Stable Diffusion model and offers an incredibly user-friendly interface. The best part? It's completely free. That's right, you can create high-quality, detailed images without spending a dime. DreamStudio is perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Its straightforward interface allows you to easily generate images from text prompts, and it offers plenty of customization options just so you can fine tune all your creations. Whether you're looking to create art for personal projects or even for professional work, DreamStudio makes it accessible for you no matter what your budget is. Like all the others, DreamStudio just has you sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up and got your account established, you'll notice you have 25 free generations. Let's replace this prompt right here with our standard prompt. And let's choose a style. Let's go ahead and go with photographic. Now let's hit dream. Ooh, these are pretty good. I like this one a lot. You can do variations here by clicking on this. Oh, I like the purple that it added. That's pretty. Looks like you can also go in and do some slight editing. You can set it as the initial image to do more editing from. You can download it or you can trash it. Over here, you can set the different aspect ratios. So if you would like it landscape or if you would like it portrait, you can decide how many images you want it to generate at a time. And there's some more advanced items down here. Now that we've explored these 4 amazing tools, you might be wondering, well, which one should I choose? Well, it all depends on your needs and your budget. I mean, MidJourney is perfect for professionals looking for top tier quality stuff. Dall-E offers a great balance of versatility and cost, especially if you're already using ChatGPT. Adobe Firefly is ideal for beginners and those already using Adobe Suite. And DreamStudio stands out for being completely free and very user friendly. Before I reveal my top 3 tips for getting into AI image generation, if you're enjoying my content and you learned something new from this video, I'd appreciate a like so that the YouTube algorithm gods may smile upon me. And if you're feeling really adventurous, hit that subscribe button. Here are my top 3 tips to get the most out of these AI generation tools. Number 1, be specific with your prompts. The more detail, the better the result. Number 2, for inspiration, look at what other people are using as prompts and the outputs that they are getting. And number 3, experiment with different styles and settings, no matter which app you choose. It's amazing what a simple style change can do for the same image. AI image generation is opening up a whole creative world of possibilities, and it's easier than ever to get started. I hope this video has given you a good overview and some inspiration to dive into some of these apps. Don't be scared. They're easier than you think. See you next week.